You need a mirror?
happy.
You're so happy? You gonna hold Peppa so everybody can see Peppa? Woo, Peppa! Give me some chopsticks. Come on. You don't want nobody to see you with crusty lips, right? Alright, go down. Hi loves!
Hi guys.
Welcome back to my channel. So look who I got today. Little Sophia. And today we are going to be doing our makeup. Right? You excited? Yeah. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, so normally I don't let Sophia wear makeup at all. She doesn't wear makeup. But today I decided to let her play in it because every time she sees me down here, she wants to play in makeup. So today I've decided to let her do it, and she's really excited. I gave her some makeup that's like cheap that I don't care about, like this Wet n Wild palette and some other stuff. So she could play in that. She probably gonna look a mess, but we're gonna try our best to look extra beautiful, right?
Yeah.
Even though you're already so beautiful.
Mommy got me.
What's that? What's that? You gonna show them? Show them. What is that? That's your makeup?
Yep.
Oh. You want that one?
Yep.
Alright, show them. Turn it around so they can see this way. Ooh, what color is that?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Woo!
Mommy.
Oh, okay. You gonna do it? Let's see.
My eye?
Yeah. Ooh, wait, girl, you looking beautiful. You need a mirror? Ooh, 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 shine bright like a diamond. Let's see, can you do some more? All right, mommy gonna put on hers, okay? You wanna use that one? This, you use the big one? Okay, mommy use the small one, okay? Okay, Sophia use the big one.
Mommy.
Look, you got lipstick. Look at that. Look at that blush. And you got lipstick. Uh-oh, you just going in? Oh, look at that. Dang, girl, you look good.
Mommy.
Oh, wow.
Mommy.
Huh?
Right.
Yeah. What color is that?
Red.
That's not red. What color is that?
Blue.
That's not blue. What color is that?
Yeah.
It's not yellow. What color is it?
No.
What color is that?
Yeah.
All right, pink. Dang. So what we gonna do today? What we gonna do today? Just play makeup?
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
Are you gonna eat?
Huh?
Are you gonna eat?
No.
You're not gonna eat today?
No, I don't go eat that.
Oh, you gonna eat later? Okay.
No, I don't eat.
You? Oh, okay. That's what I was making sure. I know you ain't all done yet. Oh, oh, oh. Dang, you just loving that pink lipstick, huh?
Yeah.
That's your jam? Let me hold it. Oh, you gotta do some more? Let me see. Ooh. Huh? You like it?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Yeah. No, this mommy brush. So, how you like school? Ryan, Kevin, right now.
Go buy me one now.
Oh man. All of that at school? What's that, fruit snack? It's good? Very good. I like it. Want some drink? mess up your lipstick. You better be careful. What happened? You trying not to mess up your lipstick?
No.
I said you're trying not to mess up your lipstick?
No. My menu dry. You know it.
Okay, here you go. You done?
Huh?
I'm almost done. Are you done?
No.
Not yet?
No.
Okay. See, mommy didn't do too much today.
Huh?
I said I didn't put on too much makeup today.
Oh, mommy. Sure.
You doing yourself?
No.
No, you want the big mirror?
Yeah.
Okay. Huh?
I.
We are done. Woo! So yeah, you guys, that is it for this video. Me and Sophia did our makeup, right? How do you think it came out? Good, girl. Yes, because you looking good. You is looking good, girl. I look good? Yeah? Thank you. I love you.
Yeah.
Do you love me? Say I love you.
I love you.
Alright, I love you too.
Bye, guys.
Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Say make sure you subscribe. Say subscribe.
Guys.
Give a thumbs up. And I will see you all in my next video very soon. Bye.